Okay, let me get this going.
Creamy ranch and spicy jalapeno meets Ruffles crunchy ridges. Now that's a perfect mix.
Dearest, sweet Aaliyah, I have trouble accepting the fact that you're gone, so I won't.
I'm trying to figure out something. The struggle is real. I need some help. My back hurts.
What's the name? Speak your heart. Don't bite your tongue. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. What's your problem? Let's resolve. We can solve. What's the cause? It's official. You got issues. I got
My lips are really chapped.
Who should be hurt? Who should be blamed?
Help me out here, Mia.
Who should be hurt? Who should be shamed? Am I supposed to change? Are you supposed to change? Who should be hurt? Will we remain? Oh, I need a resolution.
I like it. The hair.
Need a resolution. We have so much confusion. Where were you last night? Did I sleep on the couch? I thought we were going out. I wanna know where your fingers go. And let me know I wouldn't put on my clothes. So instead, what it look like when you get back in bed. I wanna know what's in your head.
I'm struggling here, people.
Am I supposed to change?
The iPad isn't cooperating. I have such bad angles and bad lighting. And I'm trying not to look fat. I don't want my double chin, but guess what? It's there. And it has a mind of its own. And I need some chapstick desperately. I'll have to edit this out later. I gotta do this later. Let me see. I'm not sure. I know it was a mistake to put the chapstick on. giving Aaliyah vibes at all?
I think you need some prayer, better call a deacon, girl. So get your act right, but we won't be speaking, girl. So what's it gonna be? Me and you, or is it gonna be who blame who? I'm tired of these things.
I have to practice makeup before I do a tutorial of that. I really am horrible with it. If I had this hoop in it. I feel so weird. I'm so stupid and silly though, but whatever. It's cool. This hair is everything. It's just sticking to my every body part because I'm sweaty. I'm a beast. I gained a lot of weight. I'm a hippo. I'm a hip-hop hippo. Yeah, I do like the hair a lot. A lot. I'm getting my Aaliyah vibes. I'm a weirdo, like a lot of gays are, that I dance around in, you know, my undies and used to be a gymnast. I name all my wigs. I have a short one called Becky. I got Psylocke and Storm. I have like a Riri. I have a Ariel, Little Mermaid. This one is definitely Aaliyah. It's giving me Aaliyah already. I ain't even there yet, but we're gonna get it together. I need help. I reached out for some help.
You're not messing around in there.
This is gonna be my therapy.
Rated PG-13, August 31st.
This wig. I can't get over. Why am I so sweaty right now? Why am I so hot and sweaty? And I've got a full mustache even though I shaved. It's like 5 o'clock shadow at its worst. I'm loving the hair though. Not wear hoops. That's the real question. I live for this wig though. It's everything. I have to do a lot of work still. Work in progress. Bear with me, have patience. I didn't get the Aaliyah makeup. By the time I found out about it, it was sold out, obviously. So I'm in the bathroom, and I got the iPad balanced on the faucet of the sink, and I'm just playing with this wig. It's so funny because anytime that I had dressed up in drag in the past with my ex or friends or anything, I mean, my ex always did my makeup. But what's so funny to me is I always see my mom, like, because I look a lot like my mom. I'll have to put a picture about it. And then, yeah, this hair, I didn't even cut it yet. I know I want to, but like I really am happy with this wig. Like I knew when I seen it on the mannequin. I was there with my friend that I work with. Whew, and she got like this Kim K looking wig that basically, when Kim K just did the recent interview on Ellen DeGeneres, it kind of looked like that wig. And so like I just threw this wig back on. I have not cut the lace yet. You could still see that it's there. I was just playing with the part because like I want it to be a deep side part, which you ideally want above the high point of your brow, which my brows need done. I haven't had them threaded in forever, and I did learn how to thread when I was in hair school, but only because a different friend taught me. But yeah, this hair is really pretty, and then I put the hoops on, the earrings, because I don't know why. I just thought a lot of hip-hop artists always wore hoops. I know a lot of Hispanic artists definitely loved the hoops, the Latina. And I don't know, I was playing with my sunglasses. I have an ombre pair that I really liked, and these are just, I don't know, from drugstore brand, and I got the sparkly, you know, hoops on here with this. I can see an Aaliyah-esque sort of thing. But I was looking at this, okay, if I got my part like way over here, which everybody knows you could adjust this and, you know, move it around and stuff. I was looking at the hairline, I'm like, what kind of hairline is this? Because it's like super, super square. But, I mean, my sideburn would be here, and obviously that would be tucked away. This lace would be laid, and gotta be glued, and everything sealed down, and, you know, not moving, budging anywhere. But I was just trying to get this all figured out. I'm trying to get this part to be very pronounced. And like I said, I did not even iron this hair super flat. I hadn't washed it yet. I didn't want it to be shedding. I didn't want to burn or melt it. But I'm loving this hair. The hair is like, I don't know. To me, it's like the icing on the cake. It's the most important thing for a look. I feel like it can make the whole look feminine, or it's just a finishing touch. So I got this CoverGirl. What the hell is this? Love Me Later? I need some Love Me Later right about now. It tastes like chalk. It smells like a jawbreaker. Oh my god, it's so good. I have Burt's Bees on first. I was like, And usually you don't ever do glossy lip with hair because it's going to be in there like swimwear and stuck. I just did this because I'm being a weirdo. I want to take a picture. I have this weird thing about my lips that I friggin' hate. She's cute. She's cute or whatever. Something about my lip. It always is like an Elvis lip. I hate it. I don't know why I do it. I wish I could turn it off. Yeah, but this hair is everything. Go get this hair. I will try to like link everything in the description whenever I forget how to do it and how to edit. But yes, I feel like I'm paying Aaliyah homage. I feel like I'm trying to be the white Aaliyah. Although I know I look like a bunch of ethnic something or other. Maybe Italian, who knows what. But I hope you guys like this video. Think I'm funny, think I'm silly. I'm going to try to make more. I'm going to try to... Next time I won't be so nervous, I hope. I was really, really nervous this time. I don't even know why. I had to get up and turn on the air conditioner. I was sweating like insane. And hopefully I can do a whole beat face as soon as I learn a little bit more of what I'm doing. But I'll talk to you later. Bye.